Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to AirPlay on Crunchyroll. To AirPlay Crunchyroll from your phone or iPad to your Apple TV or AirPlay enabled device, first of all open up your Crunchyroll application on your device. Also make sure to connect both your iPhone or iPad, Apple TV or your smart TV to the same Wi-Fi network, and once you're in the home page of Crunchyroll, start playing the anime episode or movie you want to watch. After the series starts playing, go to the top right corner and tap on the little square AirPlay button. Now click on Allow in the pop-up and then you will be able to see your AirPlay device on the list. Select your Apple TV or your AirPlay compatible device and your video will now play on your TV. So that is how you can easily AirPlay on Crunchyroll. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.